The National People's Party Nongson constituency held a public meeting on Friday to chalk out strategy and to strengthen the party for the upcoming MP election. The program was attended by NPP leaders from different primary units of Nongstoin and Nongson block leaders, including Macmillan Birsat and others. Speaking to media person, Macmillan Birsat urged the people of Nongstoin to be united and work for the NPP. He also said that it would be a proud moment for Khasi Jatiya Hills if a woman MP is elected from Shillong parliamentary constituency.
Haga jinglong nong yalam jung la bandun gi jingduna hang niam tai nai ngum me thawi ko buta ya ngi yalong bai tang ko wi so ka wei gi jing mot ban pen job don buram naga district ke jingi Nongstoin Gambrai pat kamang sungut konstitusi ke jingi tengi ngech kamba kan nong ka sin ka banungkong kan nong ka history hagari ka jat benari ko jingi bagade ka MP kan thai ka banungkong ka bandai parliament hagari ka tem ka pamenta bat kan nong ka buram nak ta ka thain ka dong ni.
After the